All right, for all of our sky watchers out there, you guys are pumped up. It is the super duper blue, totally rad, awesome blood moon of 2018. Cue Doug.
Dun, dun, dun.
Doug, I need a little more excitement on that. Hey,
there, I said it just like you wrote it.
I didn't even write it. It's not in the prompter. Don't look. Hey, yeah, so it's a super blue blood moon. You may have heard about it. What does that mean? Again, we're just throwing all these at once. Some people get excited for it, some don't. The thing is, if you do want to watch this tonight, you don't have to stay up late. It's literally going to be right as we're heading into sunrise. So if you just get up a little bit early, or you're already walking out towards your car right around just after 7 o'clock and before sunrise at 7:23, boom, look off towards the west, northwest, I think, and you can see it, and you can say, hey, I did it. Again, a supermoon is when we have the full moon, when it's in its orbit closest to Earth. We get that a couple times a year. The blue moon is when you have a full moon twice in 1 month. Hey, so we had that at the beginning, the first day of January, I think the first or second day. And then, hey, we have the blood moon. That's because we have the total lunar eclipse, which makes it appear a little bit orangish, reddish tint to it. Again, the partial eclipse, that'll start at 5:48. Before that, around 4:50, you can get when the eclipse starts just in the beginning and makes it a little bit more of a darker shade. It's not really a big thing that you can notice, but eventually it will turn red right before we see sunrise. It'll turn red at its darkest color at 7:19, and then it'll fall below the horizon right at 7:22. Sunrise is at 7:23. So, hey, if you cared, if you wanted to know about it, there you go. You're welcome. Satellite and radar, if you want to know about the weather, not a lot going on. You got a band of clouds across North Texas. Got some clouds streaming in from the south. These are some higher level clouds. These will kind of be with us and filter through as we go through the overnight. Overall, mostly clear. And if we do have some clouds first thing tomorrow morning, this is going to be right on the horizon, so not a big deal. Satellite, radar, and temperatures. Not that bad. 63 Waco, 64 in Temple. We had some 70s out towards the west. Think we'll see more of that tomorrow because we got a lot of dry air in place, and we've got south winds pumping in some warmer air, and we're going to see it really crank up and warm up west of I-35. Tonight, not as cold as we were. Dipped down into some 20s and low 30s. It was a mix of numbers across the region this morning. I think we'll see 30s and lower 40s. It's going to be winds. It's going to be helping keep those temperatures up tomorrow or tonight and through the day tomorrow. Again, going to be gusting over 30 miles per hour. Look at this. Low to mid 70s possible area wide out towards the west. Overall, we'll see some scattered clouds, partly sunny, mix of sun and clouds across the region. It'll be a pretty nice day. 66 expected around Temple tomorrow. Future winds, again, through the rest of the evening, overnight, we're going to keep them about 5 to 15 miles per hour. So it'll stay breezy tonight. Maybe a little cool for you with temperatures in the upper 30s, low 40s. First thing tomorrow morning as you're walking out, so you'll definitely need a jacket. And then as temperatures warm through the 60s and 70s tomorrow, winds cranking 15 to 25, gusting over 30. Again, it'll be a warm, spring-like, windy day out there. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Unfortunately, no great appreciable rain chances here for the next several days. Maybe coming in on Saturday. We can squeeze out a few isolated showers out there. Nothing severe. Groundhog Day there on Friday. And then we were tracking a little bit of a cool down as we go into next week. Now, some of the latest data today, maybe we don't get that cool and we stay warm. We'll just wait for the groundhog to tell us. Does that count?
That counts. We'll wait for the groundhog. Punxsutawney Phil.
Are we allowed to admit that?
Of course. I love that movie, by the way.
Groundhog Day?
Yeah.
Classic, man.
Bill Murray. Can't get any better.
Let's watch it this weekend. Invite me over?
No. Coming up next, the oldest